Welcome to today's video. Before we delve into the specifics of wheel spacers, let's take a moment to appreciate the Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue's performance and handling are top-notch, providing a smooth and efficient driving experience. Now that we've seen what the Nissan Rogue has to offer, it's time to dive deeper and explore the world of wheel spacers. Are they safe? Are they necessary? Let's find out. First off, what are wheel spacers and how do they work? Wheel spacers are essentially discs that fit over a vehicle's holding bracket, creating extra clearance between the wheel and the wheel hub assembly. This extra space can improve your car's handling and stability, giving your Nissan Rogue a wider, more aggressive stance. The key lies in properly tightening the lug nuts, creating a clamping force that secures the wheel and hub-centric spacer to the hub assembly. So wheel spacers, when installed correctly, can actually enhance your Nissan Rogue's performance? Now that we understand what wheel spacers do, let's talk about their safety. When using reputable brand wheel spacers for your Nissan Rogue, you can rest assured of their safety. These spacers have been around for decades, and when correctly installed and tightened to the lug nuts, they're perfectly safe. The clamping force of the tightened lug nuts keeps the wheel and the hub-centric spacer securely attached to the hub assembly, ensuring the weight of your SUV is distributed correctly. Therefore, using a reputable brand's wheel spacer for your Nissan Rogue, tightened well to the lug nuts, is perfectly safe. So, let's recap what we've discussed today. Wheel spacers, particularly those from reputable brands, are safe for your Nissan Rogue. They're designed to withstand the vehicle's weight and transmit forces effectively. In conclusion, wheel spacers are not only safe for your Nissan Rogue, they can also enhance your driving experience. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.